I know dowry is haram. What should a man do if he realizes his mistake after 10 or 20 years? Should he return the dowry back? The answer is, a dowry, as mentioned in the Quran, and known from the authentic Sunnah, and known by the consensus of all scholars of Islam, that is a financial right of a woman who's getting married, that her husband-to-be must give it to her before the contract or during or after. It's a debt. He has to give her something, no matter how negligible it is. Now, what happens in the subcontinent in some other countries, which is a Hindu practice, where the woman pays the man to marry her, or her family pays the man to get their daughter married, this is totally haram. And it is consuming the wealth of Muslims unlawfully. So it doesn't matter if this is the prevailing culture in your country and everybody is doing it. No, this is totally haram for a man to accept or to demand, let alone to demand, taking money from his wife-to-be's family. Some people have a wish list. They say, I'd like to have a car, I'd like to have a house, I'd like it to be furnished, I'd like so-and-so watches and gold and etc. And the poor woman's family, they keep on borrowing and begging people to be able to pay this off. This is haram, 100%. Every penny you take is haram money. Now, after so many years, Allah has guided this individual and he came to know that what he had done was wrong. What to do? You have to return all of this back to your wife or to her family. There's no other way around it. It's like someone who stole money. How to repent? Return the money to its lawful owner. There's nothing else you could do. May Allah Azza wa Jal make things easy for all of us.